This is what we'll be expecting for the day on our GBP US dollar. Those of you that are new to this channel and you are yet to subscribe, guys, make sure you do what to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. Now we will look at the overall trend on our GBP USD, which is a very bullish move, which is an uptrend. And we are also going to be looking at our current trend, which is a downtrend move. Now let's start with the overall trend on our GBP USD. So if you zoom it out, you can clearly see that GBPUSD is giving us an uptrend movement. We are having a series of higher high and an higher low. So with what market has done here, market has literally given us this movement here. If you see this to be the high and this is our higher low, this is also our higher high. Market has now given us an higher low here. So this higher low is forming an equal higher low right here. You can clearly see that this is an equal higher low. So with this equal higher low, we should be expecting market to push up again till it form a new higher high. So guys, a bullish move is what we'll be expecting next on GBP USD, right? I think for swing traders, you might want to be going in for the buy. Now for day traders, you want to make use of this our current trend, which is a downtrend move. So with what market is doing right now, look for a sell, one more sell. Be most likely going to play out on GBP USD before it can start, as a bullish move we are anticipating for so far. So what we are going to looking out for today on GBP USD is sell right now. So we are anticipating for one more sell on GBP USD because when you take a look at this movement is a sell, a pullback which is lower high. This is the lower low and lower high. This is also the lower low, and here comes the lower high. So with this lower high, we are expecting market to give us one more drop until it form a new lower low. So guys, the sell is what we will be expecting next on GBP. So one more sell. Once that one more sell plays out, then we can now start looking for a buy opportunity that will eventually push up. More updates will be covered on this. In order for you not to miss out on the updates, all you just need to do is click on the subscribe button, like, share, and make your